Like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, The DIY Man. You must be wondering, what is that? Is it the moon? No, that's my round chapati. Before we get started, look at this beautiful country, Uganda. It's time to head out to show you guys how to make this soft round chapati. Follow me. Let me explain all the ingredients I use to make a round fluffy chapati. So these are my secrets. A glass dish and the rolling pin. I'm moving it aside for now. This is 2 cups of flour and salt to taste. The flour I'm using is atta, that is wheat flour. This is ghee. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon here. It's the same atta. I'll show you the use of this later. This is hot water. This is going to melt everything together. So now I'm going to explain the process of how to make a dough. I'm going to put the flour and salt to the dish. And I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to add hot water gradually to melt all the ingredients together. I'm going to first use a spoon because the water is hot. The dough has cooled down. This is how it should look after mixing for a few minutes. Now I'm going to be kneading the dough with my hands. It's a little sticky here, so I'm going to add a little flour to it to get the correct texture. Okay, now I'm going to take this dough out of the bowl because I need a bigger space because I need to knead the dough. So this is how your dough needs to be. It's so soft. Now I'm going to make some medium-sized balls. This will help you to make the chapati into a good shape. Now watch me carefully how I'm going to shape my chapati. Now I'm going to use this dish as a stencil to shape my chapati. Now you can see the chapati, it's so soft and round. I'm going to start cooking my chapatis now. I'm going to wait for the pan to heat up. Yeah, it's hot now, so I'm going to start my cooking. As you can see, the bubbles are forming, so that means it's the right time to flip it. Just checking whether it's getting cooked. Yeah, it's getting cooked now. It's time to get tasty. It's so soft, fluffy and tasty. I hope you enjoyed my video and make use of my cooking tips. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're keen to see my other videos and tips, please follow the link in the description. I'll be coming with more videos. Until then, goodbye.